France just built rocket engine with no fuel, no fire, and no moving parts. This is an electromagnetic plasma engine. It doesn't burn fuel. It superheats gas into a charged state called plasma, and then uses magnetic fields to hurl it out at incredible speeds to generate thrust. By ditching the giant fuel tanks and complex machinery, spacecraft become incredibly light and efficient. This means cheaper launches, longer missions, and a more sustainable path to space. The age of burning fuel to break gravity is ending. The age of riding magnetic fields is here,